Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housework, and today we are going to be testing two different paint strippers on this motorcycle tank. I've often wondered which is better. This one here is aircraft paint remover. If you've bought this before, you know you can get it in an auto parts store. This one has some stuff in it that's pretty nasty, and from my experience works really well. This one I picked up at a big box store. It's made by Jasco. It's called Premium Paint and Epoxy Remover. It's supposed to strip multiple layers and so on. However, it is a non-methylene chloride formula. So the difference chemically is that this one will really kill you and this one will kill you but not as quickly, from my understanding. The point is that we want to remove the paint from this gas tank. This is a 30-year-old Harley Davidson Sportster gas tank that I'm stripping down. I'm rebuilding a motorcycle right now. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and you can follow along in that process. So today we have our safety equipment. Because this stuff is super nasty, both of these products give off really nasty fumes. We are going to protect our lungs using a respirator. We're going to protect our hands using nice, thick rubber gloves. And as always, I'm wearing my safety rated black tank top. All right, so let's get started. To do this scientifically, I think what I'm going to do is just simply draw a line down the middle of this tank using a ruler and a Sharpie. It's about as good as it gets. And on one side we are going to do the super deadly stuff, and the other side we're going to do the not so super deadly stuff. Let's get started. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. I got the garage door open because this stuff smells terrible. And I'm pretty sure it could kill you if you inhale it. So we're going to do a real quick scratch test on each one. Since I started on this side with the Jasco, I'm going to go ahead and see. Looks like it messed with the clear coat quite a bit, so that's good. Paint underneath it is soft, but looks like it just went to the clear coat. Let's check the other side where we've got the aircraft stripper. Oh yeah, we're all the way down with that. Yeah, that stuff's no joke. Looks like we're down into the primer, down to steel. Probably would need another round once you scrape off your initial paint, but it's taking this emblem right off. That's gone. Yeah, it definitely looks like it works. This side with the Jasco, you want to get rid of clear coat. I guess that's your stuff. If you want to actually do the paint in, you got to use aircraft. All right, well, I think I'm going to go for round 2 with the aircraft stripper. And just do the whole thing with it. See where that gets us. Okay, so I put another coat on and then wrapped it in a garbage bag because it was starting to dry out really quickly. I went ahead and recoated the whole thing again with that, and now she's been soaking for about 45 minutes. Supposedly this stuff is neutralized by water, so we're gonna remove the bag. It's gonna smell kind of bad, and then I'm gonna take it over to the wash tub and we can then neutralize the acid, start scraping away. All right, let's take a look. Holy crap, does that stink. Oh, wow. That is a lot of layers of paint. Just gone. right down to bare metal. Okay, so now you can see I've got all the paint off the tank. If you want this to work efficiently, they say 15-20 minutes, but there was like 5 coats of paint on this and some body filler. The last stage, I left it overnight, and you know, I wrapped it in plastic to finally just get all of that paint off of there. This stuff dries really quick, and I think what you're smelling is this methyl whatever stuff that's really bad. It's an acid. The Jasco product, I think it would have worked if I would have left it on there longer and probably done more than 3 coats. This took 3 coats of the aircraft stripper to get everything off, and I used a wire brush, and I used a scraper, and I used a wire wheel. This particular tank was really tough to get everything off of. So not a bad product. It's just that if you want it done fast, use the aircraft remover, but make sure that you take safety precautions when you use it. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, you should know that I am in the middle of an extensive rebuild on this 1991 Harley Davidson Sportster. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can follow along in the process. And as always, there are links down in the description that if you see anything in my workshop, anything at all that you'd like to know more about, you click on that link and it helps support my channel. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and it really does help. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brian House, and this is Housework.